Guys, welcome to Motola OLOWOSIBI. I welcome everyone to this Omelette channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing because you'll be enjoying a lot of healthy meals and drink on this channel. And if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much. You know you are so amazing. Today we'll be making a fast burner summer drink. Let's dive into the video. Ingredients: 1 large pineapple, 2 large orange, 2 tangerines, 2 lime, 1 lemon, 1 cup of water, and ginger. So you peel off your pineapple. While we do this, let me quickly tell you some nutritional benefits of pineapple. Pineapple is loaded with a lot of nutrients and vitamins. It is an antioxidant. It eases digestion. It reduces cancer. It boosts your immunity. It speeds up and helps you to recover after surgery or strenuous exercise. It breaks down protein molecules and mobilizes belly fat. So we're going to be blending this pineapple, then we're going to be adding ginger into it. Healthy benefits of ginger: it aids weight loss, it helps to reduce belly fat, it helps hair growth, and it burns calories. So you add a cup of water, then you blend together. Now we are cutting our oranges and we are going to be bringing out the water into the cup. Orange helps to protect cells from damage from sunlight. It smoothens your skin, it fights anemia, boosts immunity, and prevents obesity. Lemon helps to hydrate, increase weight loss, and reduce belly fat. Tangerine helps to reduce your weight, decrease the risk of heart diseases, improve blood sugar level. While lime helps to burn calories, store less fat, and boost your metabolism. So we are going to be sieving the seed out of this fruit juice. This is so healthy and you will be loving it. If you try it, give it a try and come and testify. And the main thing about this drink is you have to be consistent, because it's so versatile, and during summer it helps to all these fruits and ingredient I'm using helps to re-ginger your skin. It helps to beautify you, lighten you up, and also give a smoother skin. So we'll be turning the pineapple, tangerine, and ginger juice into the lemon, orange, and lime juice. Then you have to mix all together. If there are still fruits in the left shaft of the pineapple, you add more water to it and you blend it again. So I'll be taking mine with some ice cubes because of summer. You add it to it, it's so delicious, refreshing, and fulfilling. No, you gotta test this, you got to try this. And please don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section of how you enjoy this drink. Don't forget to stay on this channel. You have to invite your friends because you so much enjoy a lot of lovely things on this channel. So we've come to an end, and we've come to the end of this video. Like I said, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with others and help me invite others to this channel, because this channel will be doing a lot of things together. If you want me to film any video, kindly don't forget to drop that at the comment section also. I would gladly attend to it, and enjoy summer as it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.